Welcome to Inspire IAS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about 2021 prelims answer key. Let's see the first question. The black cotton soil of India has been formed due to the weathering of. Answer is fissure volcanic rock. The other three, brown forest soil, granite schist, shale and limestone, are irrelevant. So first question answer is fissure volcanic rock. Then next question, right to privacy is protected under which article of the Constitution of India? The correct answer is Article 21. During the Aadhaar case, our Supreme Court mentioned right to privacy is come under Article 21, personal life and liberty. So this question answer is Article 21. Next, consider the following statement. This question is about moringa and a tamarind tree. Moringa is a leguminous evergreen tree. It is not a evergreen tree. So option 1 is wrong answer. Second, tamarind tree is endemic to South Asia. Tamarind tree native is Africa. So it is found in various continents. So second option also wrong. In India, most of the tamarind is collected as minor forest produce. Third statement is correct. India export tamarind and seeds of moringa. Yes, this one is also correct. India is one of the major exporter of tamarind and moringa seed. The seed of moringa and tamarind can be used in the production of biofuel. Recently, the most demand for moringa and tamarind for biofuels. So statement 5 also correct. Answer is 3, 4 and 5. If you eliminate first statement, you may get answer. Okay, let's see the next question. What was the exact constitutional status of India on 26th January 1915? This question indirectly about preamble. The original preamble consists of which of the following provisions? During 42nd Amendment Act, three terms are added to our preamble, that is secular socialist integrity. We eliminate secular, we may get answer. Option D is not relevant. Option C is also not relevant. The exact constitutional status of India on 26 January 1950 was sovereign, democratic and republic. So answer is option B. Now pressure cooker, the temperature at which the food is cooked depends mainly upon the which of the following. This question is from science. The area of hole is the area of the hole in the lid. This one is correct. Temperature of the flame, this one is also correct. Weight of the lid, these all are responsible for cooking food. So option D 1, 2 and 3, these are correct. Next question, with reference to India, consider the following statement. There is only one citizenship and one domicile. This statement is correct. A citizen by birth only can become a head of the state. This statement is wrong. The foreigner, once granted the citizenship, cannot be deprived of it under any circumstance. So statement third also wrong. So answer is option A, one only. Next question, with reference to the Indus river system of the following four rivers, three of them pour into one of them, which joins the Indus direct. Among the following, which one is such river that joins Indus direct? The answer is Sutlej. Sutlej is the only river joined directly to the Indus. Sutlej is a tributary of Indus river. Next question, with reference to India, Didwana, Gujman, Sargol and Katu are the names of these are in Rajasthan, names of saline lake. So option is T. Next, consider the following rivers. Four rivers: Brahmini, Nagavali, Subarnarekha, Vamsadhara. Which one of the above rises from Eastern Ghats? So answer is 2 and 4. Nagavali and Vamsadhara are originate in Eastern Ghats. Other two are not originate in Eastern Ghats. For like Subarnarekha originate Chota Nagpur Plateau. So option 3 is irrelevant. So we eliminate. We may get answer option B 2 and 4. Next question. Leaf litter decomposes faster than in any other biome. As a result, the soil surface is often almost bare. Apart from trees, the vegetation is largely composed of plant forms that reach up into the canopy vicariously by clipping the trees or growing as epiphytes, roots of the upper branches of tree. This is mostly like description of tropical rainforest. The answer is option D. So other questions we will see in our next video. Thank you.